Looking for AC installation and replacement in Sherwood Park? At Kingstree Plumbing, we know how crucial it is to have a reliable cooling system, especially during those hot summer months. Our AC installation and replacement services help keep your home or business cool and comfortable. Whether you're upgrading to a more energy-efficient system or replacing an old unit, we offer fast and affordable solutions that ensure long-term comfort and efficiency. In Sherwood Park, where the summer heat can be intense, it's vital to have an AC system that performs at its best. With Kingstree Plumbing, you're choosing a trusted team of licensed experts who provide professional, same-day AC installation and replacement services. We pride ourselves on transparent pricing and top-tier customer service. Keep watching to learn why Kingstree Plumbing is the trusted choice for AC installation and replacement in Sherwood Park.